Welcome to our guide on downloading and installing the Sportybet app. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or just getting started, this app is designed for easy use and fantastic features. First things first, let's check if your device is compatible. The Sportybet app works on both Android and iOS devices. Now, let's dive into downloading the Sportybet app for your Android device. Open the Google Play Store and search for Sportybet. Once you find the app, click Install. The app will begin downloading, and then it will automatically install. For iOS users, head to the Apple App Store and type Sportybet in the search bar. Tap Get to download the app. After the download completes, it will install automatically. Once installed, open the Sportybet app and check for any updates if prompted. To start using the app, you need to set up your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now you're all set. Let's explore some key features of the app for a smooth betting experience. And that's it. Enjoy your betting experience with Sportybet. Don't forget to gamble responsibly.